Hey guys, my name's Al Taylor, and today we're going to be talking about PSC condenser fan motors using universal motors versus a factory motor. What we need to look at and the things that we need to make sure we do so it works properly. Notice on our factory motor here, we have a 3rd horsepower, 1.8 amps. It rotates counterclockwise from the lead end, which is the wires in, and the RPMs on the motor is 1065. All right. On our universal motor here, notice it's a 1/4 horsepower. So it's a smaller horsepower motor, but it has the same amp rating. And that's what we want to make sure we verify. Our amp rating is the same, our RPMs are the same, and our rotation is the same. Notice universal motor goes both ways. We can switch these 2 wires to go from counterclockwise to clockwise. The other thing we want to make sure of on our universal motor is that we get the right capacitor. Here's a single capacitor. Obviously, the 2 brown wires would go on the capacitor, like so. Black wire would go to your contactor. And the yellow wire is going to go to the other side of your contactor. So there's your power. Where guys get mixed up the most at is when we're dealing with a dual capacitor and we only have 3 wires. So if you'll notice here, we've only got a black wire, an orange wire, and a brown wire. So here's how we would do our universal motor. We would take our black wire, would go to our contactor, just like our original one would. We would take our solid brown wire, and we would put that on the fan terminal of the capacitor. Our yellow wire would come over and land on the common terminal of our capacitor. Okay? Notice that still leaves us a brown and white wire. We can do one of 2 things here, guys. We can cap this wire off to where it can't be laid up against the cabinets or anything, and we're through. Or if you so desire, you can take this brown wire with the white tracer and also put it on the common terminal of the dual capacitor. And the reason you can do that is because basically the yellow wire and the brown white wire are off of the same tap of the motor. So these are basically the same 2 points on the motor, and basically all you're doing is putting both of them on common. So guys, that's how you can do it, either 3 wire or 4 wire. If you've got any questions, give us a call. Have a great day.